if you think about it, when you want to append, let's say, a new element to a static array, we don't have that luxury to just add the next element to the array because it's capped in memory. The next memory slot might have something else, a string or whatever. So it's limited. So when we are trying to append to a static array, we are going to copy out all of the array, add the new element, and the compiler will just search for a new memory slot, a lot of memory slots that can hold this new array. And that is O of n of time complexity, which is really expensive because we are going to go through each and every element, put it into another array, and then also expand on it. So O of n, and also O of n of space complexity, because we are creating a new one. So to avoid this, there's something called a dynamic array, and that's what actually under the hood Swift has, Swift arrays have. So think about it like this. When we are creating a new array, something like this, we are actually not having, let's just have these with 0, so I'm not going to have any warnings. I'm going to paste the zeros right over here, all of them, and maybe remove the 0 and make it 2 over here, so it's quite understandable. So think a bit, when we are allocating some memory to this array that I highlighted, actually under the hood, the memory is much longer, actually double the size. So these slots, they are not occupied. They are just waiting there for to be occupied. So whenever I want to append a new element, let's just say right over here, I just add maybe 50, then it will be a time complexity of O of 1, so constant time complexity. It will be instant because the memory slot is already available. Now, that can go all the way up to whenever the double is expired. And if we want to add even more, only then we are going to actually copy out and do that, O of n complexity work on the array. And then when I'm going to copy this out, let me just paste it in there and add a new one, all of these zeros, these will be just 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, just to have the new elements added, available over there. That will expand the array even on a doubly basis.